Revolut, how to add money to bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can send money to bank account on Revolut, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send money to a bank account on Revolut, all you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Revolut application and then just verify your login. Once done, if you look right under the widgets tab, you'll find a section called link. Now you can just go to the cash section here. In order to send money to your bank account from Revolut, you first need to make sure you add your bank account to Revolut. So to do that, you can just tap the linked account section that you can find here, and once you go to the linked account section, it will say you that you can simply use Plaid to connect your account, which is one of the most popular connecting services on the US especially. So you can add your phone number, or I'll just select maybe later, and then after this you can select your bank that you want to link to Revolut and that you would like to send the money to. So you could select Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo, whatever bank account you own. Make sure to also verify the captcha, and then make sure to log into your online banking of your respective bank account, and then once done, your bank account will get connected and then you will be able to send money to bank account. This way you will be able to go ahead and then actually send money from Revolut to bank account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.